402. 75,000.
Lot 208 is a charming little car with only 2 owners since it was built. It's been comprehensively restored, meticulously maintained. It's the 1959 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler.
Thank you very much, Alan. Very, very sweet little car. Let's have a bit here. What should we say? $10,000 to start me on the Morris Minor. Thank you, sir. $10,000 in the hat at $10,000. Now 15 anywhere if you like. I've got 10 bid. I'm selling the car. It's no reserve. It's here to be sold. 15,000 on the aisle on my left. At 15,000. Do I have 20 now? Jonathan, get up. It's not done yet. At 15,000 now. Right here on my left, do I have 20? At 15,000, little Morris Minor Traveler. I am selling it 17.5. I've taken 17.5. 20,000. 20,000. 22.5. Thank you, RJ. At 22.5. 25,000. Thank you. 25,000. 27.5. Anywhere now. At 25,000, selling on my left. Make no mistake. At just 27.5. Thank you. 30,000, thank you. 32.5 if you like, RJ. Might as well. At 30,000, imagine all the things you could put on the back of the Morris Minor Traveler. At $30,000 that I'm selling on my left, it's going for the first time. At 32.5. Perfect car to go do the shopping. 35, sir, thank you. 35,000 I have. 37,500. Well, at 37,500, you bidder. 37.5. 40, sir. 40,000, thank you. 40,000. Do I have 42,500 from either of you gentlemen? 42.5, thank you. 42.5. 45, sir. $45,000 I bid on the aisle on the back there. At $45,000. One more for good luck, as they say. At 45, it's only money, sir. What else are you going to do with it? Can't exactly, you know. There we go, spend it. 47,500. It's a good thing to do with it. 47.5. Do I have 50, sir? Nope. Well, at 47,500, right here in front of me, it's going for the first time. At 47.5, it's going for the second time. Third and last time. $47,500 all done, all finished. Sold your car. Well done. 1616. 47,500.